Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. So today's video is part of a collaboration that we do every month for the Patreon group of Kathleen Osmore's Patreon. So this month's challenge was actually set by me, and my challenge to the group was to do something with a blowout, so like a Dutch pour, anything like that. Use the color blue and use texture. So somewhat straightforward, but it really left a lot of room for interpretation. So that's what this is today. And for me, you guys know I've been on this journey with adding texture to my fluid art. So this is just another step in the process. And I don't necessarily love everything about this piece, but I like the process and I'm very happy to share it with you. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for being here. And here we are with the colors. For my base, I have some black drips that have been saved from other paintings and thinned down. I have burnt umber from Liquitex. I have a combination of copper and violet. This is a pearl white from Modern Masters. I have a combination of phthalo blue and Payne's gray, and I think those are both golden colors. And then I have some pale gold from Modern Masters. So what you see here is the very first blowout I did, I wasn't very happy with. So what I'm doing is I'm just mixing all the paint that's left on the canvas together, and then I'm using that as the base coat. So I mix it all together and then I smooth it out nicely so that it can be used for the next pour. So this blowout, I don't particularly love either. I don't do a lot of blowouts, but I had wanted to really challenge myself with this, so I just went with it. And because this is just going to be the background, I decided that not loving the composition wasn't the worst thing in the world. So yeah, I just went with it, and here's what we end up with. So what I'm doing here is I'm just piping out small mounds of the gel gloss medium, And then I'm going to take my palette knife and just dip an edge into the gold paint. And then I'm going to smooth it down into a petal. And what that's going to do is the gel gloss medium dries completely clear. So I'm just gonna have little bits of color in the gel gloss. So right now everything looks white, but all of that white is going to become perfectly clear. It'll still leave a raised texture, but it'll be a clear texture.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my sun. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Okay, just a quick little flyby here. I'm happy with the composition, and we'll see how it dries. Here we are with the final walkthrough. Now this is not 100% dry. You can see there's still a couple of little milky spots. It's dry to the touch, but all of these milky spots will go completely clear in the next day or so. But I wanted to get this video out to you guys. So here we are. I'm really happy with this. I think there's some beautiful little spots to it. I think it's really interesting how the different layers work together and the texture works with the fluid underneath. I would work a little more with my composition next time, and I would also work more with my blowout, but I think this is a really interesting place to start, and I'm very happy with this experiment. Okay, that's it, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thank you, Kathleen, for putting this together.